A lot of parents out there, parents of students in school, will have seen this video because it's doing the rounds online on social media, but it's also doing the rounds in WhatsApp groups. And it's of a former teacher. I'm not even going to say her name because I don't want to direct people towards the video and get them watching or whatever. But the implication of a much longer video is that, you know, really extreme content going to be taught to kids in schools by this person claiming to be kind of a whistleblower. Wherein lies the truth, Minister?
I want to be really clear. Much of what's being presented, it's just full of misrepresentations. The course that's been referred to there is a course that was run for adults. The materials provided were for adults, for adult discussion. And I want to be really, really clear. No graphic or explicit material is ever shown in a classroom setting. I want to be really, really clear about that. And that's been entirely misrepresented here. And, you know, I quite a number of emails about this, and I've got some from those who have done this course. And one in particular stands out. It was from a teacher who actually did the course, and she was so upset and offended by the manner in which this was being presented. She was really, really clear that any materials or resources, many of them coming from other countries, were for the purpose of discussion amongst adults. She was equally clear that there was an absolute underpinning here that no graphic material of that nature, no explicit material of that nature would ever be shown in class. And I suppose really, what are we trying to achieve with the RSE SPHE programme? We really want young people to understand important issues like consent. We want them to understand respect for themselves, respect for others, respect in relationships. We want young people to understand the risks and the distortion of pornography. Ultimately, we want young people to be safe in the world in which they live today. And we are supporting teachers that they will feel competent to be able to address any questions that come up from students. But underpinning it all is that it is age and stage appropriate. And under no circumstances will the graphic material that has been referenced there be shown in any class. And I would say to people, you know your teachers, you know your staff, you trust their professionalism. And, you know, I am shocked to think that there would be any view that graphic material of any nature would be shown in that type of a class, or indeed in any other class at all.